Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted project in CapCut PC. So firstly, here you can see I have a couple of projects here, and let's say if I accidentally delete this project by clicking on delete. Okay, now the question is where the project goes. So the project would be just right here in the trash folder. Click on that, and here you will see that the project is saved here, but it would be just saved for 30 days. So before that you need to recover this. So click on the project and click on this icon to recover, and yeah, there you go, the project has successfully recovered. But in case if your problem is different, like for some reason if you have reinstalled your CapCut and they are not detecting your projects, you can follow this process. So for that, just go to settings, and just right here we need to copy this address. So click on this icon, click here, hit Ctrl+C to copy the address, cancel this, cancel it again, and now we're gonna open the file explorer, and just right here we're gonna paste that address which we have copied. So hit Ctrl+V and enter. So this is the location where CapCut gonna save all of our projects from now. So here we need to like paste the previous projects files. So for that, firstly let me make the screen like this so that we can easily drag and drop files. Now we again open the file explorer, and just right here what you can do, you can paste the same address here which we have copied, and here we're gonna find the files of our previous projects, and it's quite possible that your previous project files would be here in the CapCut main folder. So I can remove this part, okay, and hit enter. So this is the main folder of CapCut, and it is quite possible that your previous project files could be here, and you can just easily drag and drop your project file just right here. So if you're having difficulties in finding the project, you can just search the project name right here, and once you get the project you can just easily drag and drop it just right here. So this is the folder. In my case I can see CapCut projects, and all of these are my previous projects. I can select all of these projects and just drag and drop it here, and yeah, there you go, all of the projects are successfully moved. Now we can just close this window, close this too, and now just open the CapCut, and yeah, there you go, all of our projects are successfully recovered. And that's how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.